2 minutes. Just 2 minutes of your time.
Why are you so selfish? I told you we'll talk about this when I get back home. I can't do this right now. I can't.
This cannot wait. We have to trash it now. Seriously, are you working out on me? Ẹ máa wo ọmọ iná kò mọ̀ pé wàhálà ní tàgbẹ̀ wọ Ọlọ́run ní kí ṣu ó ta. Gbogbo ìkanjú ẹ̀. Ó ga o.
What is this? No. Yes, my car is overheating again. And I literally just serviced it. I don't know what to do. Please. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm at the bypass. The road that leads to the interchange? Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Madam, you can start the car now. I told you that the solution is finally here. This is what Master's full synthetic engine oil has the capacity to do for your car. There you go.
Oh my God. Oga na master.
You can say that again. Wow.
Oga na master.
Finally, Nigerians, the solution is here. Master's lubricants in varying sizes and value added. Oga truly na master.